This Windermere Real Estates and One Island property video is presented by Greg King and Company. Rare commercial/residential use property on Shaw Island. 9,395 square feet commercial use building currently set up for research, lab, manufacturing and office space. 1,574 square foot home with 2 bed/1.75 bath plus loft overlooking a pond, meadow and sport court, all located on 7.6 plus acres. This property lends itself to many potential different uses: educational facility, community center, private research complex, or a private residence with a well-built, flex space building. Create your own island compound. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg King and Company at 360-2